This video is about the Nest Protect smoke and carbon monoxide detector. And now there's two kinds of this, so you have to make sure that you got the right kind. And I actually got one of each, but the options are long life battery or wired 120 volt. So if you have a wired smoke detector and that's the one you're replacing, then you want to get this wired model. And yeah, the batteries are included in here, so your first set you don't have to buy. But make sure you get the same kind. It's got to be long life lithium batteries. This one's for the bedroom, and then I'm going to replace a wired smoke detector that's also in the family room, main room of the house. So I had to go to two different stores to get them. So this looks like the manual and stuff there. And there is the smoke detector there. There's the mounting plate, and there's some screws and stuff here. And that's it. So yeah, obviously this dust cover must be removed. Alright. Simple enough, and then you pull this out to start the batteries. So here's your manuals. Nest, welcome home. This is basic information here about how the smoke alarm works. Early warning, clear voice in an emergency, and then a little bit about the remote function. And then it's also, looks like, in Spanish. So then there's the regular manual here in English, and then if you just go the other direction in it, it's in Spanish. Warnings, a little information about carbon monoxide, what to do. These are stickers. You could put them up somewhere. There's several of them here. There's two in Spanish and two in English. To set these up, you have to use the mobile app. Now, if you're not going to set them up as remote stuff, you don't have to do this, but here's how I'm going to do it. You have to do this before you mount them to the wall for reasons which will be obvious here, but you just click Add Next Protect, and I already added one. It asked me press the button on the bedroom Nest Protect. The ring will glow blue. That's the one I already set up. So
ready.
Okay.
In the bedroom. Press to test.
That one is there. So continue. All right, connecting. And this takes a little longer. When obviously I didn't have to go through this step when I set up the first one. Alright, now scan the QR code on the back of your new Nest Protect. So basically you just click this and it turns on the camera, and you can scan the code here. Okay. Then pull out the battery tab. Now this is the wired one, but it still has batteries in it. That will wake it
Hi
up.
from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest. Press the button now for English. Ready.
All right.
Press to test.
There you go. So I already selected my language. Alright, I see the blue ring. it asks you if you see the blue ring. Yes. Alright, so now it tries to connect it. So getting set. Connecting. Interconnect. Wi-Fi. So there we go. Now this one. So there we go. Now this one will be in the family room. So pick that. Path light. Turn it on to light up when someone is present, or always on to light up continuously when it's dark. So I'm just going to have it on when somebody's present. So continue. Alright, adding to account. So it adds to the account, and then it puts my phone back to its Wi-Fi settings the way it was before it started.
Connected to the internet.
The Nest Protect said that. So now I've connected my phone back to my regular network. The Family Room Nest Protect has been added to your account. If you don't have more Nest Protects to add, it is ready to be installed on the wall or ceiling. Done. Alright, so now I can just go and install these on the wall or ceiling, and you can see they appear now in my app. So if I click on it, you can look at the settings and stuff. So view protect history, set an emergency contact, adjust the path light settings, and more. So there we go.
I waited about a month to finish this video because I wanted to kind of live with this device for a little while and do some testing and stuff and let you know really what I think of it. And I think that this is a great product. First off, just after having lived with it for a while, I think it's a great product. The remote features work great. The path light feature is really great. It lights up kind of a soft white light when somebody's moving around in the bedroom at night, and it's really, really handy to not have to turn on the light when you just get up for a little bit in the middle of the night. So that is a great feature just by itself. But I did some testing. I blew some smoke at the thing, and it's very sensitive. It's sensitive enough. The alarm is really loud, and it did the mobile notification. It notified me on the phone that, hey, there's smoke in the living room, it said. Basically sent me a message, and it vibrated the phone emergency style. So that was very handy. But I just wanted to kind of close this video up with a test of the system, because I do advocate testing your smoke alarms periodically anyway, but the test of this system is really cool. It actually tests both of the smoke alarms in my house from just pushing the button on this one. So I want to show how that works. Let's do that.
Ready. In the family room. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10.
So it
9,
counts down, and then
8,
it will start testing
7,
both the smoke
6,
alarm in here
5,
and
4,
over in the bedroom.
2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Testing carbon monoxide. Finishing up. Just a moment. Finishing up. Just a moment. The test is finished. Everything's okay in the family room. The test is finished. Everything's okay in the bedroom.
So I think that's pretty cool. The smoke alarms work together and they talk to each other, so the test, works out with both of them. Then just a quick explanation of the mobile feature here. If you go into your mobile app and you click on Protect, it shows both of them on the screen, and you can select one and it gives you the current status. So when you're away, if there's anything going on, like if the power's out on this one because it's a wired one, it knows that the power is out, so it can let you know, and it will actually alert you of that on your phone if that happens. It has the history function, so you can view the history. Obviously everything's been okay, but here's something funny, is it shows you when the light was on. So if you click on that, it says, okay, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I must have got up to pee, I guess. So shows you that. I think sometimes the dog sets it off later on in the day when I'm gone. But very cool to be able to check that, and if there was any alarms or anything, it would show on here what the alarm was, whether it was smoke or CO, which alarm it was that went off, whether it was the bedroom or whatever, and tell you what happened. And as the smoke clears or the situation is resolved with carbon monoxide, it also tells you that. So when I blew smoke at it and then waved a fan near it, it tells you the smoke is clearing and so on. So very cool. Also, it helps out my thermostat with knowing that I'm away from the house, and my thermostat works with auto away pretty well. $99 for a little peace and security, and that remote feature, more than worth what it costs.